So how did you come across your first wireless opportunity?
Our first wireless opportunity happened to be a piggyback sale on a new phone system sale.
Can you share with me the size and scope of it?
It was a assisted living facility. I'll say about 60 phones.
So you actually brought this up to them, or did they ask you about wireless?
We brought this up to them because I guess what I forgot to say at the beginning is they were looking for some cordless phones. Was the initial conversation. And so then it was, well, yeah, you can do that. And at that time, when this was all coming together, we were still, Megatrek was still around. And so we're like, well, if you do that, we got to put in two infrastructures. And that could get to be a little bit more expensive. So we said, well, why don't you put in a single Wi-Fi infrastructure? We can put phones on that, and then also have the residents, and then also your internal people, with their med carts and things that they need to have.
Being your first one, what was your thought process when they said yes?
We were a little concerned because we had not touched Wi-Fi up until this point, but were pleasantly surprised on the ease of the installation of it, and I've kind of overcome a little bit of our fear with that because we're only building out the internal network that's already there.
Summary of it, you're happy how it went?
Yeah, we are. I mean, we had a couple of obstacles to come over. As anytime you do your first one of anything, there's a learning curve. But other than that, I don't think it was much of an issue. And again, pleasantly surprised on the ease of use.
Did you see the same margins on that as you saw on the voice that you installed?
I think that our margins were actually a little bit higher on the Wi-Fi.
You've extended the customer's network. Did you have to do anything to their network to add this on? Right?
No, because they already had VLANs set up for the different segments, so we just had to find out what they were and follow the rules, if you will.
I get the feeling that on instant IP that you feel that you can handle those yourself now?
Yeah, the instant IP was amazingly simple. And you hate to give a guy credit when credit's due, but DC had said at one time it's just another box to learn. It's not rocket science, and he was absolutely right.